aromatic carboxylic acid is react with ammonia to form ammonium salt of benzoic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid, this is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is react with ammonia to form ammonium salt of benzoic acid. Okay, here ammonium salt of benzoic acid, this is also salt plus minus. Okay, ammonium acetate, this is a ammonium benzoate. Ammonium benzoate, this is benzoic acid. Okay, again this one heated with ammonium benzoate, you will get NH2 plus H2O. This is, the name is benzamide. Name is acetamide, benzamide, acid amide. Okay, this is the aromatic compounds. In case phthalic acid, you should know the phthalic acid. Phthalic acid means it is a carboxylic acid is attached with adjacent carbon. 2 carboxylic acid is attached with adjacent carbon. This is a carboxylic acid. Here also carboxylic acid. 2 molecules of carboxylic acid react with ammonia to form ammonium salt of phthalamide, okay, here ammonium salt of phthalamide, ammonium salt of phthalamide, ammonium salt of phthalic acid, ammonium salt of phthalic acid, ammonium salt of phthalic acid, or ammonium thalate, ammonium thalate. Okay, it is heated, elimination of 2 molecules of water, here H2O and H2O, to form CO, NH2, CO, NH2. The name is phthalamide. The name is phthalamide. Phthalic acid, phthaldehyde, and amide functional group is there, means phthalamide. When the phthalamide is strong heating, you go for strong heat with the elimination of ammonia, with the elimination NH2, 1 hydrogen is attached here, NH3 is eliminated, this bond is directly attached to NH. Okay, that is called NH. CO, hydrogen is attached to means here NH, CO, NH. The name is phthalimide, not phthalamide. Phthalimide. This one is a phthalamide. Okay, this is a phthalamide. Phthalamide is heated, strongly heated, you will get a phthalimide. This is also the monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, monocarboxylic acid and dicarboxylic acid is react with ammonia, you will get a amide, benjamide and thalamide is converted to thalamide. Okay. Next we will go for the further reaction. Next, the third factor, the reaction involving of carboxylic acid. The first factor, reaction involving of oxygen and hydrogen. Second factor, reaction involving carbon and oxygen. Third factor, reaction involving of carboxylic acid. Here the carboxylic acid is a conversion of carboxylic acid to alcohol. First one here in this factor, first one is reduction. When the monocarboxylic acid or reduction with strong reducing agent is a lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride or diborane, it is a good reducing agent, is a diborane, and it is a carboxylic acid here getting primary alcohol. Sometimes what will happen, it is the carboxylic acid does not reduction with the sodium borohydride, that is a selective reducing agent is there. Sometimes what will happen, if the diborane does not reduction with the ester compounds, nitro compounds and halo compounds, it is a selective organic compounds is used with selective reducing agent. Okay, that is called as a reduction. Here also the carboxylic acid is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or diborane. Okay, acid hydrolysis to form primary alcohol. For example, I will take here the general formula of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is a reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, or another one we are using sodium diborane, or sometimes we will go for acid hydrolysis H3O to form primary alcohol. Here how many hydrogen is required? Listen here, the carboxylic acid general formula RCOOH. RCOH is converted to RCH2OH. How many hydrogen here? 2 hydrogen is attached here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 4 molecules of hydrogen is required here. This is a nascent hydrogen. Okay. Nascent hydrogen. Here elimination of water, RCH2OH plus water. Next, coming to here, you take examples. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or diborane to form ethyl alcohol. This is a ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Ethanoic acid or acetic acid. This is one of the reaction of carboxylic acid. Okay. Next we will go for another one. This effect of, listen here, reaction involving is effect of COH group. Effect of COH. COH is converted to CH2OH. Next we will go for one important reaction that is called as decarboxylation. Okay. Explain decarboxylation. They will ask the 2 marks question. Very, very important. Explain decarboxylation. We are already discussed in previous year. Preparation of alkane from carboxylic acid. Okay. What is decarboxylation? Okay. General formula of carboxylic acid RCOOH. Carboxylic acid is react with sodium metal or sodium hydroxide. Carboxylic acid is react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. When the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, this is a important reaction, it is elimination of water. Okay, this is a important. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. What is soda lime? It is a combination of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, that is called as soda lime. Okay, when it is a sodium carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime, which undergoes decarboxylation to form, decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide, that is called as decarboxylation, with the elimination of carbon dioxide, Na2 byproduct, I will write the byproduct, Na2 COOO means Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, and you will get a hydrocarbons. Listen carefully, when the sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime, which undergoes decarboxylation to form hydrocarbons or alkanes, this reaction is called decarboxylation. You take, instead of sodium carboxylate, you take acetic, sodium acetate, CS3COONA. You take sodium acetate. When the sodium acetate is heated with soda lime, which undergoes decarboxylation, listen here, it is a sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is released, CS3 plus H to form CH4 Na2CO3. This is, the name is methane. This one is sodium acetate. This is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime to form hydrocarbon. You take, if it is a sodium benzoate, means suppose we are using a sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime to form benzene, that is also hydrocarbon. You take the 3 carbons, 4 carbons, it is a lesser number of carboxylic acid. Listen carefully, when we are taken the 2 carbons of carboxylic acid, you will get a 1 carbons of hydrocarbons. Suppose you have 3 carbons of carboxylic acid, it is a 2 carbons of alkanes you will form. This is one of the important reaction. They will ask examination, explain decarboxylation for 2 marks. Okay, next we will go for another substituent group. It is a reaction involving of carboxylic acid. Next we will go for substitution reaction. Okay, next another one of the important reaction, substitution reaction in the hydrocarbons. Okay, in carboxylic acid, when the carboxylic acid is reaction involving of the first one, reaction involving of oxygen and hydrogen bond. Second one, reaction involving of carbon and oxygen bond. Third one, reaction involving of carboxylic acid. Next one, the fourth one, there is a substitution reaction in the hydrocarbons. Listen carefully. Here the carboxylic acid, here CH3CH2 COOH. This is a carboxylic acid is there. The first factor, here reaction involving is only the oxygen and hydrogen bond. Second one, the second factor, it is a reaction involving of carbon and oxygen. Third one, the reaction involving of carboxylic acid, that is called decarboxylation. And reduction, it is only effect of carboxylic acid. Decarboxylation and reduction, only effect of carboxylic acid. Next one, the substitution reaction in the hydrocarbons part means carboxylic acid does not affect this reaction, only the hydrocarbon, either it may be aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, when the reaction is attached here, the first one, halogenation of halogenation reaction, it is effect on alpha position, that is called as one of the name reaction Hell-Vallard-Jelenski reaction. Okay, this is one of the name reaction. The name reaction is called HVZ reaction. This is important. Explain HVZ reaction. Okay, explain HVZ reaction. When carboxylic acid is react with, when the carboxylic acid or react with halogen in presence of small quantity of red phosphorus, which is a halogen is attached to alpha position, alpha halocarboxylic acid. This reaction is called HVZ reaction. Okay, one side I will explain what is HVZ reaction means. When the carboxylic acid which contain alpha hydrogen, it is react with chlorine, bromine or halogen in presence of small quantity of red phosphorus to form alpha halocarboxylic acid. This reaction is called HVZ reaction. Okay, I will write reaction. The general formula of carboxylic acid RCH2COOH. Okay, this is the general formula of carboxylic acid. When the general formula of carboxylic acid is react with halogen in presence of red phosphorus to form alpha halo carboxylic acid. Okay, this is a alpha halo carboxylic acid. This reaction is called HVZ reaction. This is a carbonyl compound. This is alpha position. It means it is a only effect of hydrocarbons. It does not affect of carboxylic group. It is effect of hydrocarbons, that is called as HVZ reaction. You take instead of R, it is a CH3, CH2, COOH. What is this one? This is a propionic acid. When the propionic acid is react with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, to form alpha chloropropanoic acid. Okay, alpha chloropropanoic acid. This reaction is called HVZ reaction. Okay, next we will go for the another one, second one. Ring substitution. What is ring substitution? Okay, when the aromatic carboxylic acid, this is aromatic carboxylic acid. When aromatic carboxylic acid is react with bromine in presence of ferric bromide, okay, ferric bromide, it is a electron withdrawing group. When the carboxylic acid is electron withdrawing group means it is a deactivating group. When the deactivating group means it is a meta orientation. When meta orientation means you will get when the electrophilic substitution reaction HBr is liberated, bromo is attached to meta position, that is called as meta bromo benzoic acid. Meta-bromo-benzoic acid. This is one of the important reaction. Next we will go for benzoic acid converted to meta-bromo-benzoic acid. That is a bromination. Ferric bromide, bromination. Next we will go for the nitration. Okay, nitration means when the benzoic acid is react with nitrating mixture. Benzoic acid is react with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture means it is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid which undergoes nitration to form meta-nitro-benzoic acid. Meta-nitro-benzoic acid. This is a benzoic acid. Here it is a hydrogen is there. We can nitric acid. We can write it is having a OH, NO2. Okay. This is the elimination of water. NO2 is attached to meta orientation, that is called as meta-nitro-benzoic acid and released water molecule. This is does not affect of carboxylic acid. Listen here. It is effect of only hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means it is electrophilic substitution. Here also bromination. This is a aliphatic bromination. This is a electrophilic substitution reaction. It is a free radical substitution reaction. Both it is having a substitution reaction. It is effect of only the hydrocarbons. Does not affect, this is a very important, does not affect of carboxylic acid. This is the effect of only the hydrocarbon, aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon. This is the third one. This is the effect of carboxylic acid only. This is the effect of carbon and oxygen. This is the effect of oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, these are all it is having a chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Okay, next we will go for the importance. What is the importance in this chapter? Which question is arises 3 marks questions, 2 marks questions. Okay, I will go for one by one. Okay, some of chemical reaction, the conversion of the product. Okay, here butanol, the butanol is converted to butanoic acid. Butanol is converted to butanoic acid means when we are using butanol, butanol means how many carbon? 4 carbon. One butanol is oxidized with Jones reagent. Okay, what is Jones reagent? Jones reagent means it is having a chromium trioxide in presence of sulfuric acid, that is a Jones reagent which undergoes oxidation when it is a carboxylic acid is converted to, alcohol is converted to carboxylic acid. It is a butanol is converted to butanoic acid, CH2COOH. Okay, CH2COOH, and it is the elimination of 1 molecules of water. This is the first one, conversion of butane 1-ol is converted to butanoic acid. This is a good oxidizing agent, that is called as Jones reagent. Okay, now next one, benzyl alcohol is converted to phenyl ethanoic acid. You should know the structure. What is the benzyl alcohol? What is the phenyl acetic acid? Phenyl acetic acid means here the benzene which contains CH2COOH. CH2COOH means benzene which contains CH2COOH, but the benzyl alcohols, this is the benzyl alcohol formula. Benzyl alcohol formula. Benzyl alcohol is converted to ethanoic acid means 1 more carbon is required. Okay, when the benzyl alcohol is react with hydrogen bromide. Okay, here hydrogen bromide means here substitution reaction to form benzyl bromide. benzyl bromide. Benzyl alcohol is converted to benzyl bromide. Next we will go for, this is a benzyl bromide. Benzyl bromide. Okay, when the benzyl bromide is react with potassium cyanide. Okay, potassium cyanide. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction to form CH2CN. Okay, here ethane nitrile, 2-phenyl ethane nitrile. Okay, next we will go for complete acid hydrolysis. Complete acid hydrolysis, intermediate to form amide, which will go for further oxidation, hydrolysis to form here CH2 COOH. Okay, here CH3COOH is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Instead of one hydrogen here, phenyl acetic acid. Here benzyl alcohol is converted to phenyl acetic acid. This is the completion of reaction. Okay, next one, meta-nitrobromobenzene is converted to 3-nitrobenzoic acid. Meta-nitrobenzene means here meta-nitrobromobenzene, meta position here 1 bromo, here nitro. Okay, this is the meta-nitrobenzene, meta-nitrobromobenzene. It is react with magnesium, magnesium in presence of dry ether, to form Grignard complex. Here magnesium is attached here, MgBr NO2, Grignard complex. When the Grignard complex is react with carbon dioxide in presence of dry ether or carbon disulfide, carbon dry ice, this is a dry ice, solid carbon dioxide. When the solid carbon dioxide it is react with electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, here we can write here carbon dioxide means C double bond O, C double bond O. It is a nucleophile and electrophile. Here also MgBr is plus, carbon is minus. Okay, to form here NO2. Okay, here carbon, oxygen, O, MgBr. This is a Grignard complex. Next, which undergoes acid hydrolysis, okay, to form here COOH meta position. This is a meta-nitro 3-nitrobenzoic acid, 3-nitrobenzoic acid, 3-nitrobenzoic acid. This is the one of the important reaction. Okay, next we will go for 4-methyl acetophenone is converted to benzene 1,4-dioic acid. Means here 4-methyl acetophenone, okay, here acetophenone, 4 means it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-methyl acetophenone is oxidized with alkali potassium permanganate in presence of potassium hydroxide. Alkali means it is a potassium hydroxide. It is a both side which undergoes oxidation to form, irrespective nature of long chain, to form COO, potassium salt of dicarboxylic acid. When the potassium salt of dicarboxylic acid, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of water, okay, in presence of water, to form COOH, okay, benzene 1,4 COOH, 1 2 3 4. This is a benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. Okay, these are the conversion of compound butanol to butanoic acid. You should know the reagent. Suppose if it is having a acid chloride is converted to aldehyde, means you have to use hydrogenation, catalytic hydrogenation in presence of barium sulfide. Suppose nitrile to aldehyde, means we will go for Grignard reagent or Stefan reaction. Okay, these are all, it is having a particular reagent, it is react with particular reaction. Suppose is carbonyl compound is converted to methylene, means you should know that it is having a Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction or lithium aluminum hydride. These are selective reagent in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Next one, another one here, listen here, cyclohexane is converted to hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Cyclohexane formula, cyclohexane means here cyclohexene, this is a cyclohexane, this is a cyclohexene, okay, this is one of the cyclohexene, okay. Cyclohexene is oxidized with potassium permanganate, okay, and in presence of potassium permanganate, in presence of sulfuric acid H2SO4, presence of sulfuric acid, to form COOK and COOK, potassium salt of carboxylic acid. When the potassium salt of carboxylic acid is acid hydrolysis to form COOH and COOH. This is called as hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Another name is, it is having a adipic acid. This is a adipic acid, conversion of adipic acid. It is used in nylon 6,6. Okay, these are the conversion of organic compounds containing carboxylic acid. Okay, sum of reaction is complete the reaction. Here ethyl benzene is oxidized with potassium permanganate in presence of potassium hydroxide, okay, and heat. When the potassium permanganate and potassium hydroxide, means here we are getting sodium salt, potassium salt of benzoic acid, potassium salt of benzoic acid heat in presence of water to form here COOK, potassium salt of benzoic acid. It is a further react with hydrolysis, means you will get a benzoic acid. Next one, benzaldehyde is react with, this is a carbazide, NH2NH COCH, is a carbazide. Carbazide is converted to carbazode, means it is a elimination of water. This is the elimination of water. When the benzoic acid C6H5, this is a benzoic acid, next NH, NH2, okay, this is a carbazode, benzaldehyde, semicarbazole. Semicarbazide is converted to semicarbazole. Okay, this is a benzaldehyde semicarbazole. Okay, now here coming to here, the compound which contain aldehydes as well as ketones is there. Aldehydes and ketones is there. When here the reagent is important, this is the silver ammonical nitrate. This is called as Tollens reagent. When the Tollens reagent, it is only react with aldehydes. Tollens reagent and failing solution does not react with ketones. It is only react with aldehydes. It is a silver mirror image it will form. Here aldehyde is only react with, aldehyde is converted to carboxylic acid. Ketones does not affect. Here the same compounds we are writing here. Okay, here COO. Okay, COO minus, it is a, this is a carboxylate. Okay, this is a ketone functional group is there. Here also ketones. This is a sodium carboxylate, or if it is suppose we are using here sodium means sodium hydroxide means it is a carboxylate ion, means aldehyde is converted to carboxylic acid. Next one, cyclohexanol. When the cyclohexanol is react with chromium trioxide to form, which undergoes oxidation to form cyclohexanone. PCC we are using is a alcohol is converted to, primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde. This is a secondary alcohol. Cyclohexanol is converted to ketone. Coming to here aldehydes and carboxylic acid is there. This is a carboxylic acid and aldehyde. It is react with sodium cyanide in presence of HCl. Sodium cyanide in presence of HCl means this is the addition of hydrogen cyanide. Okay, addition of hydrogen cyanide to form cyanohydrin. Addition of hydrogen cyanide to form cyanohydrin. Aldehyde and ketones is only react with nucleophilic addition reaction. Carboxylic acid does not react with nucleophilic addition reaction. Here the aldehydes compound, I am writing here aldehydes, C double bond OH. Okay, here COOH does not change of the reaction. Here CO is there, COH is there. It is addition of hydrogen cyanide means here H is attached to here, double bond is converted to single bond, and the cyanide is attached to here. This is called as cyanohydrin. Okay, these are all it is having a complete the reaction. Sometimes they will ask the complete the reaction. Sometimes what will happen here, the benzene. Okay, benzene is there and benzene is react with benzyl chloride. Okay, this is a benzylation. Benzylation means we are getting, this is okay, benzylation. Here hydrogen is there, it is a elimination of water to form, it is a diphenyl ketone. Okay, diphenyl ketone, or it is a benzophenone, another name benzophenone, and IUPAC name here diphenyl methanone. Sometimes they will ask, write the IUPAC name of dibenzophenone means it is a diphenyl methanone. Okay, sometimes they will ask CH3, CH2, COOH, how many carbon? This is a valeric acid. 6,5 carbon is there. Valeric acid is converted to valeraldehyde or valeryl. This is a valeric. Suppose I am writing here CHO. This is a valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde which undergoes oxidation means which undergoes oxidation to form valeric acid, butyric acid, valeric acid. This is a valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde which undergoes oxidation, CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, sorry, CH2, COOH. This is a valeric acid. Okay, aldehyde is converted to carboxylic acid. Okay, these are all it is having a sum of important reaction in text questions, or this is the important factor. Okay, thank you. Next one more reaction we are not discussed in here, preparation of chemical properties of aldehydes. When the aldehydes is react with Grignard reagent, you will get a primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Suppose we are not discussed, we are already discussed in alcohol chapter, we will go for primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Okay, thank you. Next we will go for addition of Grignard reagent. What is the general formula of Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halides are called Grignard reagent. We will go for aldehydes and ketones is react with Grignard reagent to form complex compound. General formula of aldehydes means it is a general formula of aldehydes is RCHO. This is general formula. Suppose instead of R I will take here formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde is react with Grignard reagent means we are taken methyl magnesium bromide. Okay, methyl magnesium bromide. This is a formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether to form complex compound. Complex compound means here HCH. Listen here, HCH. Here the double bond is converted to single bond. Double bond is converted to single bond. This is a electrophilic carbon. Electrophilic carbon means it is a carbon is positive charge, oxygen is negative charge. When it is double bond is converted to single bond, it is a sp2 hybridization is converted to sp3 hybridization. Magnesium bromide is positive charge, is methyl is a negative charge. Electrophile is attached to nucleophile. Nucleophile is attached to electrophile. The nucleophile is attached to electrophile. This is a nucleophile is CS3. Here CS3 is minus charge, it is attached to positive CS3, and here MgBr is positive, it is attached to oxygen MgBr. Okay, this is called Grignard complex or adduct. Grignard complex. Next, which undergoes acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. Listen here. Acid hydrolysis. You separate the water molecules H, OH. Okay. The formula is CS3. Next CH2. Next OH. CS3, CH2, OH. That is the name is ethanol. Name is ethanol plus the byproduct is MgOH. Here Br. This is one of the primary alcohol. You take here R. Instead of R, I will take acetaldehyde, CS3, CHO, acetaldehyde. Suppose I am taken ketone, CS3, CO, CS3. This is a formaldehyde. This one is acetaldehyde. This one is acetone. When the form acetaldehyde is react with same reagent, it is a methyl magnesium bromide. Acetaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. Here also it is a complex bondage formation. It is a Grignard complex. Here MgBr plus CS3 minus, carbon is plus CO minus. The product is CH3CHO. CH3CHO, CH3CHO, and it is a Mz is CH3 means here CH3 is attached to carbon, MzBr, it is a oxygen. This is called as Grignard complex. Similarly, when which undergoes acid hydrolysis, H plus H2O. Okay, acid hydrolysis means here H2O. Okay, to form CH3, CH, CH3, CHOH, OH, CH3. Okay, this is a isopropanol plus MzOH, Br. This is one of the secondary alcohol. This is a primary alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol. Last one, you take acetone. Acetone is react with methyl magnesium bromide. Same character. Here also nucleophilic addition reaction means carbonyl compound is there. When here the nucleophile is attached to carbon atom, that is called as nucleophilic addition reaction. Here also methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether to form a complex. Same here, listen here, in writing CH3C, CH3, CH3, C, CH3, okay, double bond is converted to single bond. See, CH3, CO, CH3, CH3, CO, CH3. Same is there. In magnesium, methyl magnesium bromide means here negative charge, here the negative charge, here positive charge. Nucleophile is attached to electrophile, here nucleophile is attached to electrophile, and electrophile is attached to nucleophile, MzBr. This is called as Grignard complex. When the Grignard complex which undergoes acid hydrolysis means you take here water H2O, CH3, COH, CH3, here CH3OH. This is the tertiary butyl alcohol. This is a tertiary alcohol. The byproduct is same, MzOH, Br. This is the preparation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. We are already discussed in alcohol chapter, but we are discussed in chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. It is react with methyl magnesium bromide which undergoes addition reaction to form adduct. Okay, this is the important. If you want the primary alcohol means you should remember, name the product. When the formaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium bromide and hydrolysis means you have to write ethanol. Name the product when acetaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium bromide which undergoes hydrolysis means you have to write isopropanol. Sometimes they will ask IUPAC name. Name the product when acetone is react with methyl magnesium bromide which undergoes hydrolysis means you have to write tertiary butyl alcohol. In entrance examination they will ask IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name means it is a 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane 2-hol. Okay, this is the important. You should remember primary alcohol means it is you have to use the formaldehyde. Secondary alcohol means you have to use acetaldehyde. Tertiary alcohol means you have to use acetone. This is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, some of important questions in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. It is a total, the number of marks is 8 marks. Types of questions is 1 marks questions is 1 and 2 marks question 1 and 5 marks question 1. The 5 marks means it will split in 3 and 2 marks. Okay, first you have to read important reaction, right, and means it is a priority. Going downwards, this is a priority is decrease. This is the important reaction. Okay, you have to perfect this reaction. Next we will go for one by one. Okay, in first one, write the mechanism of addition of nucleophilic reaction. Okay, nucleophilic addition. Write the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. 3 marks. This is the number of marks is 3 marks. 3 marks. Mechanism. Or you take nucleophile is attached to electrophilic carbon. The hybridization is changed sp2 to sp3. it is an intermediate. Intermediate, it is obstruct the protons or capture the protons to form a product. That is it is a nucleophilic addition reaction. You take hydrogen cyanide means instead of hydrogen cyanide, nucleophile means you have to take CN, Nu instead of Nu you have to take, it is a cyanide, and here hydrogen is automatically second step it will arises. This is you take an examples of hydrogen cyanide, write the mechanism, nucleophilic addition mechanism, you take an examples of hydrogen cyanide. You take an examples of hydrogen cyanide means you have to use here hydrogen cyanide. Okay, this is the mechanism. Next one, another one, it is having a 3 marks question. Explain the aldol condensation. Write equation. Okay, this is the 3 marks question. Next one, another one, it is a 2 or 3 marks question. This is also Cannizzaro reaction. The number of name of reaction is more here. It is a Cannizzaro reaction. This is also 2 marks questions, 2 marks. Here also 2 to 3 marks. Next one, it is a Rosenbaum reaction, 2 marks. Sometimes they are given A and B. What is A and B? Write the name of the reaction. They will ask 3 marks also. Rosenbaum reaction. All named reaction, it is having a 2 marks. This is a Stefan reaction. Nitrile is converted to carboxylic acid using stannous chlorotin chloride. Next one, it is Gutterman-Koch reaction. Benzene is react with carbon monoxide in presence of hydrochloric acid to form benzaldehyde. Gutterman-Koch reaction. Next one, Clemmensen reduction. Aldehyde and ketones. Carbonyl compound is converted to methylene compound. That is a CO is converted to CH2. That is a Clemmensen reduction. We are using a zinc amalgam in presence of hydrochloric acid. And here Wolff-Kishner reduction, we are using hydrazine. Hydrazine is converted to hydrazone. Okay, hydrazone, it is heated with potassium hydroxide and using methylene glycol as a solvent, you will get a ketone. Okay, sorry, methylene group or hydrocarbons. Means aldehyde and ketone is converted to hydrocarbons. That is the name of the reaction. Is Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. This is also how many marks? 2 marks. This is also 2 marks. Next we will go for HVZ reaction. Okay, today we are discussing is HVZ, Vallard-Zelensky reaction, alpha halogenated compound, that is called as HVZ reaction. Next one, Itard reaction, that is also 2 marks. Itard reaction means we are using a chromyl chloride. Toluene is converted to benzaldehyde, that is it is having a Itard reaction. Next one, preparation of carboxylic acid from nitrile to carboxylic acid. This is also 2 marks. Acid hydrolysis. If the partial hydrolysis means to form amide, if you go for complete hydrolysis means carboxylic acid. Next one, preparation of carboxylic acid using Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means it is a carboxylic acid is using Grignard reagent means when the Grignard reagent is react with dry ice, okay, carbon dioxide to form complex which undergoes hydrolysis, you will get a carboxylic acid. This is also 2 marks, so many times asked. Here also what is tolerance reagent? 1 marks they will ask, it is a tolerance reagent. This is also important. Next it is 1 marks or 2 marks. This is the acetol and cyanohydrin. This is also what is alkoxy, what is dialkoxy derivatives, amiacetol. Monoalkoxy means it is a amiacetol, dihydroalkoxy means it is a acetol, alkoxy derivatives. This is also 1 marks or 2 marks. Coming to here, nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction means substitution reaction. Amine is converted to imine. Primary amine, ammonia is converted to imine. Primary amine is converted to imine substitution. Hydroxylamine is converted to oxime. Hydrazine is converted to hydrazone. Carbazide is converted to carbazole. This is also 1 marks question. This is very important. They will ask 1 marks. Complete the reaction. Okay. Next one is alloform. It is a alloform means it is a methoxyketone. Methyl ketones is there means methyl ketone is there means to form a alloform reaction. This is also they will ask 2 marks question. And esterification we are already discussed in alcohols. That is monocarboxylic acid is heated with alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid to form ester. Next one, sometimes they will ask the cross aldol condensation. These are all it is having a 80% of major questions it will arise in there almost the name reaction. Okay, this is the important factor. Next we will go for what is the uses of carboxylic acid. Uses of carboxylic acid means it is a formic acid and acetic acid. It is acetic acid, it is used as a vinegar in the food industries, and the benzoic acid or sodium benzoate. benzoic acid it is used for synthetic perfume, and sodium benzoate it is used for food preservatives. Okay, in the hexamethylene diamine adipic acid it is used for preparation of nylon 6. In aldehydes also, formaldehyde also it is used for, it is a phenol formaldehyde, it is a nylon phenol formaldehyde, nolac, and bakelite it is one of the important in polymer. Ethylene glycol it is a polyethylene glycol, that is also it is biodegradable polymers. These are all it is having an application of aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid. Okay.